Hey guys, I was just making some food in the microwave. Sounds like it's done. Let's go check on it. What the fuck? Alright, well this pack cost me $5. And as always, let's keep track of how much money we make, or in my case, most likely lose on this channel. Puppy. One day I'll make the blue-purple Raiju deck, I swear. This isn't just the regular Arc. It's the Arc Maximum. Looks like we got that Altart rare combo. Can't win them all. In my case, can't win most of them. Catch you guys next time. Bye.